Mema mu nyina kwa ba ediba unim se eyebone dwumadi so. Onyankopɔn ayadom ama adafoforo asan aba betre ya. Moma yi nyina nka se oye na nadoye ewo ho. Mechia obi biara heaven our home osoro ene yemfi. Na mewonchia foforo a mesan ede ba aba beka we ho. Na chese yi nyina yetumi edi dwumadi a yedi ewo platform yi so. Na enchia no baby a Erade Darity ya mi free Titles chapter number 2 verse number 11 to number 14. Honum ena enchia no mi free na oba platform ni so na pese utia unua se ne first one no utia heaven na unua je so our home no. Saa na we so obechia se Kristo tiase na unua na je so yebehu nani onyam se yeye die etenea. Kristo tiase yebehu nani onyam se yeye die etenea. We ne entia etosom yenu a yebetumi edi dwuma ewo platform yi so. Enti se wanchia heaven our home a na wo tia Kristo tiase yebehu nani onyam se yeye die etenea. Eno ne entia etosom yenu. Mema mu nyina akwa ababiu esan de badwumadi ne so afofoforo amaba mema mu nyina maba tenasiye ene yetoa yadishia ne so akwa akohe self bondage enchichire a yankasa ne yede chichire yahu enyu bi ene preventing ne part 2 of self bondage na self bondage part 2 no ene yehwe who you are nipa ko awoye die enam so ame nipa bebre heaven omunkobi nipa ko awoye who you are, your identity eno enwa disia enene Erade honhom be famemu akasa na menchepi se ne be ya mebi kwan ediama asemisa ahodo na ansa na no because of who you are adisia ye ba be ye no enne eye part 2 of self bondage no me de enyon kama bi eba beto platform ni so no enuanom baby ya bekuri yiminum ni free no ewodi ntia enyon bie mu nsem no eyanyankopon asem o de soma anyomtofo no se mo mfamraye emraye na we eyenyom a anointed voices enetoye eyenyom ko bi a emre bi etwam na mnyom bom tonum so atenkomo na se na e free se me free SG mu no ena many omontem etete ya mentumi ni omankoso antonyo me na me 2 days pa it I feature a lot of songs in tete SDA no banwa bibliowa nyom ne bo motoye afi there are a lot of kwa ya seti wo Ghana ha melody kwa emia na me setting up there is another kwa renowned kwa Winiba there be your friend say there is another kwa ewo Winiba sorry bim mea na mesete sa kwa na enkran die sorry bebre na no Erade fami so etete kwa ahodo edema sorry nti enyom yade a edi akotene ewo mabrabom emun sem no so no eye very 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 common na yiwonkofo bebre ho a betwero enyom emawom na afi omakwa akohyehe na omato nti so ye nyumtuni wo platform ne so a obetumi enema kasa basti na afi makwa Erade anim atwere enyum nsem na composition no maye ne kama diamam na akwa studio bi akwa record na menim se emu nsem no ebesese nipa efri omobra boni mu abatre ne kwaso enti enadishia no who you are no enti no but choose special song bi a me dey tune immediately after this tape tie nyum no mu nsem na menim se wutia adishia ne ba ubehu ne said no kre onyankopon ye nokwafo na owo niema padi ede mawo ewo platform yi so nyankopon sira onti nanim nkyirawo ye mompaye ye da wase nyame tumfo nyame ba tampa edoy mu ne ye beko wo se won kronkron ba beka safa memu afemetiefo nyina hye wonsa biomani woni biomadwem ne momonte ase se ne be ya onipa biara betunye yi ne ho afiri bone ne nkyekere biara ne ye nyakwan ewo waheni nim asedan ka wodin tumi bi obema no homene so mebrɛ na se edisi Kristo tumi ase bedi hene ne mfa na ase ma wo Awurade with Jesus Christ the munti amen. Okwentu niye miduya
yo way. Okwento niye minia. Oh yo. Minu ya penkwa. Yami ba. Mes penkwa mpebiri biebio. Why I wanted, why I wanted, set time show, Madam Nakafianchi, I saw for you out in Dindio, Madam Coffee. Miss it, why I wanted. Senyanko pasa treka sa chirebo mu chirifu ahwe asem no wate na bebum medwuma mitu na bebum kwa badwuma ti ase a bebo anu se posi me senyanka biribia de bi migusu a metwimi mu sane a me sa beka mutaye no bona simnia I know what de wanyane wajimayo owo bia sonson ne ho yo se bodam fo ne kopie wanya nkwaje ama okra na oyo minuati ebrebia brantie bitu kwan free ni mem obaga na mem se obeye aduma pesika kofie trasa no mentu a obuada abrante ameka na semmi na osia nguma konenimpa obeye na aduma osika krabia kasie bi ebera wogusu awe na aduma no anansem ne kasie bi kosu kumasemem we mo de wa shatu kumasemai se ebono nsia obiana na yebehu abontino die bosi akuna penawie wo achidie ne pani moja dodo ene ye di so befre mo ama dakura branti ene kwa adwuma wanya kwa mefentemo ni bane usuno numa baba kobono nsia oyentem tutu na punu mudi mri kase ye wo befie ansha na kafia bechino ono so yo Afia brante no beduru kejeti abontina Kampiti a driver for nyina po Aya wenya shemyampo Asemu aba Eti a brante no diare wo susu se Miyo Abedi ya miya obi maisu Brante no jina wa wani ni tibu edin Asamba kupene bani dream se Ewo nipa bi wa asasi suwa Sani panu di ene mreni no Sani panu ni obodamfuo Enti ade na wanyane wasa obodamfuo Bibi ane uradi ya enadum Na wanyane tie didi makoduru fiye Waye wante Odamuko fiye Eti nguma nimfuwa wasi ya nguma konenim Oshase rarone ntadie no Obu ninyi na di hurubi Odi bibo ni tino di bibo ni nai Abrante no dani bodamfo buba Odi ne kakra Oni asrafo ni bonsa hono Omane dam no dosupa We no swe ni baku bekase nyami mawia sinyade Obi Abrante kama say no ayo bodamfo yi Obonsama wada shudi nyami mechi Say no swe ni no baku ni no We no so bepe makase Abrantie de onye bodamfo minino menino na tibro no so anopa no fa ne ho akwa adwuma onye bodamfo timuma yentino esoni mu ani ebe unu kre no abrantie no ti asem no ape nantie dani ameriko odine dam so mikem bodama kofie asrafo no di mirika tente di nachi Nyankopon ya brantie na dumode kakra koduru ni fie Abira was on in Padua Mupe no shiny ba kukura ni nai Oso ni muji ni krasi ni ebia Okwa kodi ya brantie na sem Watumera We no temwa fonu bisa shweni ni se Abira musa brantie ni muno Na brantie ni wahifa Na wana shweni no besi no se Abira misa brantie ni nai No sonse krani Padua mu We no temwa fonu si shweni ni se Munyano Obi awo krani Padua mu padie Ano kasem ni se kafinchino Munya brantie no amfani hunkodi Wadi bem Nyami mabrantie na bodama nyaninko Heaven tina yesum nyami diya Abasem yika bibi atreye Yamna from ya wuso bodamfo Uma yefa edibre me ma ya wuso Obonsam washishe ye nyina Minu ya Kristo ni wa ya wante Bodam kofio na wenyankwa Satan shisho Bodam kofio Obonsam nyawa onyawo Kristo ni ya wunshe heaven Bodam Bodam kofio na wa ya wante do Kampi nyawa abachiwo Asrafo no so ayawa Asam pakani di roxing asem munye Nabi wasama waka yenunyo Kristo ni awo ewe kanje bodam Ye na wa ye wante Ye na wa ye wante Oh bodam kofi Kristo ni asem munye
Se uti enyum yi mu nsɛm a in fact aka nsɛm ni nyinaa bodam ne kofi nipa ko a woyɛ no ɛsɛ sɛ osakra wo ho na woyɛ ho te sɛ bodani na watumi anya heaven ne bi akɔ mene anyomtofo no yɛ adwen pii esan say yemu bebre na no who we are will disqualify us from going to heaven. Nipa ko a woye no ebesiw heaven kon kwan evi say nipa bebre wasase so a omama omonipa ban omonipa ko omoye no who they are no edidi wo mutirim because of who he is or who she is no e kana semu a enyeyi itulufo a enyeyi otena son dem a enyeyi because of who some people are nintino asori kura no wejai otifie because there be a ono no wedru who the person is class ko a wedru no or to me relating who to and now with people who are below the belt na o say say heaven ti and the ekwa sorry dia and a necessary bodam na yekofie Paul say me nsan kan bibia na emu me koso me pre say me nsabeka enkunim abotre no I keep on fighting and moving forward towards the final destination enunti anyumu yi anyumu a emu nsem no aba wom papa metumi abo tinkabe ya odi boto aso a ne hunu the message in the song nkabeboa ama wabrɛ wo ho ase ka kukuti sɛm ne abetiri so ama mamemei nka wo begya to hɔ na Awurade ase wanyunyam yɛkwa disuanim Awurade mount yaseye na enenso omfa enkyirikyiri so ensano emfiri amaniye ne nkyirikyiri biara odo ho akwakotum o Yesu de munti amen. Onipa bia soba asasi so a ade a ehuhia a yeyema bra wadi bese na wotwe apa ho edabako after 8 days anase after 3 months, sometimes even before you are born no na ya yesa decision no e de atoho ansakra na ye bewo a yawo saade na ye yeto ho ansana yawo anase yewu ekira ye yemaw no eyi edintuo na ye decide din ni mawa eno na e identify the rest of your life honhom muno se ye pese ye bibi mawa e saa din no ne sese ye bo se ahonhomoni ni nsukohia no mpesom ye bibi tiawa ese se omobo saa din no se wo ku school a saa din no ne bebo wo wie school na ye dwuma saa din no na wo de beko adwuma mu baby a obeko bia e din we e na wo de benante enti saa din no beye asensode a okra no etie na esese ehunu say who you are no e different from edin a edawoso edin na ye de mawo no enye onipadua no ne ye de saa edin ni ma no eye wo kra na oche umu the real being no ono na ye ma no saa edin no enti okra na ati umu no eti saa edin no na wotwa wani pato atiase enti no asona nyankopon de ma onipadua no eno na saa edin fam na okra na te say ye frɛ no na botwa nani but onipadua no ba saasi so a abraba wo bebo dibia wo ba benya another identity wo benya another self bi eno ne ye frɛ no self concept dibia bi ana position bi a ebeka ho a eno nso ba be hye wo nso edi free afoforo na saa asensodie no who you are no eno aba be ye efidie baako a obonefo no de akekire nipa bebree egu ho a wo mmom kwan mmom nko heaven enti ene no self bondage part 2 no enye din enda wo so na mebeka ho asem nemu no nipa ko a waba be ye uwudin Bernard Nupeta die uwudin Akosuye Mansa die uwudin Jerry die uwudin Anita Fosuya die uwudin Ekuye Brana die uwudin Tete Michael die nanso in the course of life no wasan ba benya an identity bia say ya mudin pa yetumi de frewo utumi gina saa identity ne so e de yebribi either say a positive or negative. The pakwa obeye wa brabom during the time of life no. Etumi boa ema wonsa ka bribi. Saa de na tumi boa ema bibi so ye den efri wonsa. Ewo a lot of impact on the lives of people. Na obonefo na fa saa de no so de achichiri nipa bebre. Wo munya onyankopon aheni no mu bi enko. Adie bi wo anka ontumi nye but because of who he is no ebetumi amanaye adie bi wo anka wontumi nka but because of who he is no ebetumi amanaka baby wo anka wontumi nko ka wontumi nwura hoda ba nipa ko a waba be ye ninti no otumi wura ho saa de ne Satan faso adina nipa bebre enkwage eno ho nkomo enene me ne oba bidie na se saa ahoma no wakofa bi di akekere ho a wesane wo enye obi na de betikire wo eyewa no wakofa saa ahoma na de akekere ho e na woda ho na wontumi hu ne wo ye wabrabom ama ebibre ya ba be ye no me enipa bebre ama mabrabo aba be wi oseye na enenso Kristo be fa me so no akyerɛkyerɛ wo na memfa enadisia ne nko na wi ye no who you are no you will be very careful with that identity eba beda also. Mebusem David Solomon say, good name is better than riches. Dimpa wuhui yesene ahunya. Se dimpa no enye wudi Bernard no ana kwaku no ana ajiman no enye se din no ene yesen ahunya die. Nemu edi bi wo wa ye befa no asase so a eno etumi ma oye niema bebre esesa onipa ban esesa onipa su etumi sesa onam fofuo etumi yi nipa bi firi wabrabom etumi di nipa bi ba wabrabom. It opens doors and shut doors. That kind of identity, who you are, no, and me ba beka ho asem na ma ba be kyerɛkyerɛ na ma fa Nyankopɔn asem so yi we firi san kyikyere nim. Isan se be bi ade na kodu no se ma mwa wa niema bebre wo ho a ummu ni se eyebrebi enso ne yebibi pa. Kristo omoa na enade sua ne so no omfa so insane wo firi amane bi mu we Yesu di mu. Eno nti wen waso ebra me di wura adesua ni mu no. The question of who you are, baby a edi kan epieye e wo kyerɛsɛm ni mu. Exodus chapter number 3 verse number 13 to number 14. Exodus chapter number 3 verse number 13 to number 14. Ahano na Israel mai akwakodi nkwaso mu be se emfrisia ahanan aduasa 430 years. Afi na ebre na so se onyame beyi deliverer obi oba ko yi oman na free bondage mu aba. Na baby a Onyankopɔn ka ne ho ntam de kyerɛ Abraham se ɔde nasefo oba kodua no ɔde ɔma yɛdɛn akɔhɔ. Eti Mose eno Nyankopɔn yi no the brain nyame yi Mose no Mose na onye obi a oye just a common person ena Nyankopɔn efre no na ebre nyame frɛ no ni di nkomo no a no eno kyerɛ ne say because abre na Mose kura no onim se oye jiuni eti nyame ne man ni hui. There was a prompting in his heart say onye jiuni onye Egyptian. Send the nano mekenken free Hebrews chapter number 11 verse number 24 no see GDNT ena Mose ebro nyini ye no obehunu say onye Egyptian name oye jiuni enti no ebeya mane say one Israel fo obehunu amane say obetna Pharaoh fie ene bonim emretia webi enti Ebra Onyankopɔn gu so ni Mose kasa na o kyerɛ ni nipa ko a ɔyɛ no. Mose de wahu se Nyankopɔn na efrɛ no. But unim nyame ko because onyi ni nyina no ote anyame ahodoɔ bebree nka ɛwɔ Misrim asase so. Enti Mose busa nyame question bi. Nyame ne nakasa ama nyame convince ne say ɔno na okuyi ɔman na firi nkwaso mu ɛde aba bɔ se asase so. But then nipa ko a osoma no onim ni nipa ban eti se okọ oman ne nkyɛn no koka kyerɛ mo sɛ mo Nyankopɔn no na wasoma me nyame bi a ɔka ne ho ntam kyerɛ mo agyanom Abraham, Isaac ɛne Jacob no ɔno na asoma me a na nkɔfo no busa ne sɛ nyame bɛyɛ ɛdeɛ bɛn na ɔnka. Eti Moses wanted to know the kind of God wa osoma no akɔyɛ adwuma yɛ ɛde ama no. Monfanchemi bibi bebom entina esese immediately no the call resolve ti yetwa yadisunya no so baby a meka bedu ye no beka du se onyame afre Moses se onkoyi oman Israel emfiri nkwaso mu ena Mose ebisa Onyankopɔn se mekwa na enkofo no busame nia osoma me a edin bɛn na memmo menka sɛ wo yɛ hwan ɛdeɛ bɛn na meka ɛbɛma ɔmo ayɛ dɛ ehunu wo ɛna Nyankopɔn eyi na no. Enti Exodus chapter number 3 verse number 13 to number 14. Na Mose bisa Onyankopɔn sɛ na sɛ miduru Israel fo nkyɛn na meka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ mo nananom Nyankopɔn asoma me mo nkyɛn na obisa me sɛ ne din de sɛn a sɛn na mense wɔn na kyɛ sɛ aha no Onyankopɔn no ankasa no Mose nim sɛ ɛyɛ Nyankopɔn na asoma no ɛna Israelfoɔ no nso nim sɛ Nyankopɔn wɔ yi but omo pese omo hu Nyankopɔn Nyameban a wasoma no. Eti Moses busa ne say, knowing your name Onyankopɔn no is not enough. Sɛ oye anyame nyinaa kɛseɛ baako pɛ. Onyankoropɔn wonko na woso ɛwɔ anyame nyinaa mu no. It is not enough. So omo busa me say, odin e de say a asɛm bɛ na menka nkyerɛ wo. Bebe sɛ otie nkɔmmɔ no yie paa. Ɛna Nyame ka sɛ, sɛ wokɔ a na ɔmo bisa wa. Verse 14, Onyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Moses sɛ, me ara ne me ara. Ɛna ɔse, sɛdeɛ ka kyerɛ Israelfoɔ no, ɛnie. Me ara ne me ara. Ɛna asoma wo. Enti aha no, Onyankopɔn no ne di ankasa de Yahweh. According to the Greek text no, ɛna ne ba Yesu Kristo ne di ankasa de Yeshua Messiah. Eti saa Yahweh no ɛno na yɛ translate a yɛbenya Onyankopɔn. Yeshua Messiah yɛ translate a yɛbenya Jesus Christ, Yesu Kristo. Enti ɔmudi ankasa nie. Sorry. But Moses requested for another name. Eti no saa another name no eye din bɛn. Eye din bi a ɛka Onyankopɔn ho a ɛma ɔdasani bi a wasase so hu no sɛ n'akyi ɛne n'anyim Onyame bi ɛni hɔ bio. Saa din no a wɔbɔ kyerɛ Moses no ɛne me ara ne Nyame ne. Me ne Nyame ne. Na kyerɛ sɛ ɔde ne nsasi ne bo kasa ɔde ne ho Nyankopɔn no no. Edi wɔn sɛ Onyankopɔn ɛwɔ identity bi a saa identity no so obi ibusa n'ase a otumi koyi saa identity ne deɛ den ɛde ma no na ma na hu Nyameban ana Nyame ko a ɔne ne bɛɛ den ɔne ne bɛdile. Saa no nipa bi a ɔbasa asi so no ɔbra a wo Bible no ewom sɛ yama odin die. But you along the line no ebenya identity bi who you are no ebeye identity bi a eboa eme nipa relate to you eboa ma unya weight as simple usuma will be say onko out and nipa no will carry that identity of you and not your real name. Na me ba breki e de aba fom amwati adisua na say Yesu Kristo ebe face another encounter with the devil. After the first encounter, Onyankopɔn ekyire nipa ko ye who he is. To Moses no gina so de soma no no. Yehwe asɛm bi a esi wɔ apamfoforo no. Matthew asempa etia eye 9. Ne ntikyemu a eye baako ede kosi 9 no. Enkomo bi ekɔ so wɔ hɔ. Between Satan and Jesus Christ. Yankohe. Matthew 4:1-4. Ena honhom ne di Yesu ekɔ esre so sɛ ɔbonsam enkoso ne hwɛ. Na odi emwada eduanan ewia ne anadwo. Na ekyiri no ekom de no. Na ɔsɔhwɛfoɔ no ba ne nkyɛn bɛse no sɛ Pepacho tie ni pa ho. Ɔsɔhwɛfoɔ no ba ne nkyɛn ɛbɛse ne sɛ sɛ wo ne Onyankopɔn ba no a kasa na aboɔ yi ɛna ne paano na obua sɛ watwerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ paano nko ɛno nipa nam so ɛbɛtena seɛ na mmom asɛm biara a ɛfiri Nyankopɔn anum ɛba no so. Satan ɛkɔ akɔso Onyankopɔn ahwɛ. Yesu Kristo ɔkɔsɔ n'ahwɛ. Na ɛbra okosi a Yesu no. Ewom sɛ ensɔhwɛ a ɔde ma no ɛyɛ aduane ho nsɔhwɛ deɛ. But odi kan de question bi edi saa sɔhwɛ n'anim. To see say Yesu obetumi apaase anase ɔmpaase. Now the question of who Jesus is, bonsam rezi wa ha ose se woni onyankopon ba no a kasana ebuyi enane paano. Now masem bisane say enti bonsam onim se Yesu Kristo ye nyankopon ba onim enyon na na wo heaven onim se ono no ni Yesu ene wo heaven enti nipa ko a Yesu Kristo ye no bonsam nim even before ye ba be wo no bonsam nim pefe se wi oye nyankopon ba bonsam nim pefe se wi oye agenkwa bonsam nim pefe se wi ono ni Messiah no na fe adenti na wo ba be so na hwe no o san ka se wonim se oni onyankopon ba no a let us say who Jesus Christ is, the identity no bonsam reminding say you are so and so. I know you to be so and so. You are capable of doing everything and anything. So at this time no me pese pan we boy odane ne pan no na odi because okra ya punching 40 days 40 nights. And yanom sa so he we abenipa bebre abrabom e moma feli. Nipa ko a we who you are ade betumi ama waye ene ade a entumi ma wonye enti na make say you will nipa bebre wo ha heaven no munye bi nko no enye bibia say who the person is no amana kwakọ ye ade bi a ensese nko ye amana kwakọ wura ba bi a na nka ensese wura na miyiyi verses na wie na mababe bai adesua nim eti ha no keep in mind say bonsam ebusa Yesu Kristo say akatire Yesu say se woni onyankopon ba no a when indeed he already knows say Yesu Kristo eye nyankopon ba onyankopon tiasefo ne honhom a abasasi so a wo be ye aduma he knew yet he wanted to contradict the personality of Christ, the self concept Yesu nipa ko ye no opese osonihe. But you know what? Jesus was smarter than the devil. Jesus was more intelligent than the devil. It in one will say, even though okase se woni nyankopon ba no a, net say bonsam pese Yesu gina di pakwa wo ye ne so, no de ye ade a enye. Me do be wrem. Yen samra Matthew chapter number 16, me ha de bi ho. Matthew chapter number 16 verse number 13 to number 14. Also assembly course ho me ba be kire Matthew 16:13 to 14. Na Yesu duru Caesarea Philippi femuno obisa na suafo ne say enipa sei onipa ba no ene hwan Yesu ne ebusa suafo no question no o se enipa ba no eye ono Yesu Kristo no ediebe ne nipa kase oye. Who is he? Who do people say I am? Question Yesu Kristo ebisa na suafo no no odi esuafo ne nenam ene duru baabi o mo nanche mu no Yesu Kristo ne ebisa esuafo ne say who do people say I am? Enipa se me ye hwan? In other words, the question is what do they see? Ono Yesu Kristo say oye. Who is he? Verse 14. Now say, ebinom say, Yohane suboni enemu. Ebinom say, uye Elijah. Ebinom so say, Jeremiah ana edifo no baako enemu. Let us say, one more walk outside no. Esono kwan obi afa so hu Yesu. Obi say, oye Yohane suboni. Because adwuma Yohane suboni beye no ensempatire adwuma obekan obeye bone ho ensenka Yohane suboni beye no Yesu Kristo so bae no aluta continua eno abi no ye eti amanfo ni binom susu say Yesu Kristo oye John the Baptist ena esuafo no ko so kan say ebinom so say oye odifo Elijah. Enom ka se ebinom so say uye Jeremiah ana edifo no baako. So this was the perception many people had of him. And you know, they saw Jesus Christ in a certain way. And Jesus to us in verse 15. na obisa won say na monso mose me ye hwan mo sese na abonjesofo ka mo amene mo nam no mose me ye hwan. Verse 16 na Simon Petro ebua say woni Kristo no onyankopɔn tiasefo no ba tio woni Kristo no onyankopɔn tiasefo ne ba. Peter Yesu Kristo bete na ebeto no asase so ba Peter tumi ahu nipa ko a Yesu Kristo ye den oye. Satan so ni lose Yesu Kristo ne tesoro ena wonwa tu ni susa no de ne ba asase so, but Satan is coming to question the identity of Jesus Christ. Afi yimura disuanim ni ehwe ne ne me pa kire sayeba asase so a enipa bebre onya meye obi ewo abrabo mu no nanka otumi ye ade a etene pepese oti asem ni yi onya meye obi no o ni dindie but onya meye obi no nanka otumi botre ne abrabo ade bi wo anka wontumi nye. But the moment obel rising above the ranks na waba benya dibia bi na waba benya self recognition bi na waba benya identity bi ewo society nim na waba benya dibia bi ewo adwumam waba be hold position bi ewo nyame adwumam baby biara obedru in life na obenya that kind of identity no afei sa identity no ananka sese eboa no ma oni nyankopon ntem eye fine no na ababa ye enkyekireye a akyekire ne di na to hɔ a ɛsɛe ne niema adeɛ baako ɛsese odasani bia wo hu ni se wonya sisu se obɔ bra wode anisuade hunu bi ana visi bi ana purpose bi esi wani so obi o wa okasa me pese me beye doctor obi o wa opese me beye engineer obi o wa opese obeye pilot obi o opese obeye pastor obi o opese obeye sei obi ani the kind of aspiration ya ukura wa brabom na Yesu Kristo akidie no se wunya bedi na ti sei pe the devil is going to use who you are to manipulate your life. Eti adia esi ni say ebra wo ya branche na wo bo bra na o prese obenya baabi akwakosi so that he will be identified with a certain recognition no sa branche no nanka ontumi nye adie bia eye bone wo nyame anim but ene onyankopon ye na dom am wo ba benya that kind of recognition, that kind of identity. Eti ni opesa wo ye no otumi ye me de ba fom yewo ebinom ewo asase so a girl a wo fa no time wana odo banchi ase no pesiti yitini pa wo girl a wo fa no bra odo banchi ase no edru baby a obeye obi because sabre na odo banchi ase no na enye ne final destination eno no na nani kire baby ewa abrabo mu oye den okro sa baby na nani kire no onim se daache opese obeye doctor ni so what you see, but at that time ne de odo banchi ase wodo banchi ase no girl ne do no girl no kura ne no ampesie na ya ode abre no banchi na se no otumi ayere no ho aye adwuma otu a na girl na tiem girl ni yina kuma mu nyina de ma no oni ni de ti be se enfie enum enfie nsia enum na akonya bi baaye ena otumi ko school kwotoa na disua so enum nyina na oni girl ni di nkomo me the examples base ne be ya disua no mewa enimu na wate ase enti oni girl ni to na monsa afeidie wetumi awie medicine no waba be ye licensed doctor, medical doctor. Say ye Ghana ha, say manone wherever he is practicing as a doctor no waba be ye medical doctor. Unya be ye medical doctor ni say pe. Ese so hunu say ni dina ye different no. wasaba benya another din e de abata ne ho recognition nipa ko a waba be yesese no esese ye di nidie ye den ema no ankane no nanko nipa mfa ne nyehwe but because of the doctor ni na waba be yinti no esese enei obia di nidie ye den ema no se onipa nya beduru baabi a opese okọ e wabrabo mu a na obenya that kind of identity no ebeka ono ne personal one no ho a ade a woni say ankasese eboa no ma ne bre ne ho ase de mo no na ama ne ho so bepese utie adesua ni yipa enti afeedie ubewo se doctor ni no ne nam fofo asesa saa bre na no nye doctor ni no na woni wo mo edo banchiase ekọ chenechene omde ayi enkraman ekọ bush ekọ pe enam okisie enkrantie ne ade no na one wo mo na ye enamfo in fact otumi ni omo nyina akọtọba ekodidi no matafro mo nsa ho kama eto da bi kura me kan chance no ode ne tatere magina tafrim na onfa bibia nye bibia but afeedie waba begina level bi emma the taste of friends esesa emma the taste of delicacies eduani obedi esesa afi it even goes beyond the life partner and the nipa no ofa no bra na order banchiase as the girl no it goes beyond that emma no could choose another person na adia wobeka ne say sesi ade onya me class enunti no mesre so onya be ma fofra ware no. Who you are has come to play an important role over here. But what in common I say? Oye IGP, the day at the Bernard Sampson, but osaye IGP. Enti bra wode Bernard Sampson edie. Anka on to me enye sa dream. Na ene watumi aba ye no. But because of who he is, IGP, sir, who he has become, no, it means money bibia or pesoye. Caneno non cordie kufuado, but eneno wababinya recognition be the first man of Ghana, the president of the Republic of Ghana. Sir, recognition who he is na abemuno. Adia nanko ye ekufuado won to me no, because of who he is no, utumi ye. Ebi ananka wo kane no yeka huhumu asemu a onnim kane na ye benanu peta ne de na nka wontumi nye bibia hwan kura na nka wo ba bedi watie na hwan ne betie wonum asem enne no along the lines of life no onyankopon aba befrew wode ne huhum adua wo mu eti before benanu peta no ene masaba benya another identity ema enipa edimachi emum panifuo emum ketewa womu anyi nseme womu amenyi ase womu animade seme womu a enimade nseme womu akusku cheme saafo ni nyina no because of who I am no ntino oma ba bedi machi eti kane ne de asem bi wo ho a na nka meka entwasum but ene no because of who I am ntino meka obi betie se obi eye na dwen se nka onyai boni bi onyai ade bi a woye na mebemu a because of who I am no mekasa na watie enti sa who you are nipa ko a woye won sempi ente empempi no so obi kasa otumi kasa do you know who I am? Do you know the kind of person I am? The moment the person will ask, do you know who I am? No, that is the person is going beyond the real name to the identity waba binya in the course of life. Or remind you say onye nipa dia keke. Or remind you say onye nipa kwakwahwekwa. Or remind you say wunjimia because of who he is no obetumia ye bribi e de atia wo. Now, sir, who you are no ababa ye enchichire ya amanipa bebre abrabo asai bra no a utumi efa company sika be se 2 billion na wansuro no di no question ne say ehefa no nya ne tumi ni free ya odi kofa asesika no oye sure say anka onye obi a obetumi akwakoyi asesika no de free company account medi ade etumi man yes ha eye who he is ebi oye the manager, that's who he is. Ebi oye the accountant, that's who he is. Ebi oye berza, that's who he is. Eti who he is, you know, etumi amana ya ade a ese so den oye. So what you see? Wunim say ade a wuyi enye. Ade a wuyi enye. The moment a police for babe chewa ye do be kono. Na wa fre owofa. Ade a yeti wi enye bailable offense. Enye offense a ye beliwa eyeyi. Ganda mrano edi obi aso. But who of na wo fa phone friend na ka kire say yate watu ayi cells. Edi wo mrano. Who of no onene the commander in chief. Ewo army mu. Army commander general. Na general twefo no afre. Osi me wo fa se ya. Eti no mo release no. At once by force ni release you. Say idea wo fa ne do banchi ase e no didi a onru baby a wabrabo mu ankasa de no ontumi nye. But because of who he is in it watumi abu o man ne mbra so asset you free. The power of who you are. Saade no na Satan na onim say so nipa bia wo ba saasi so Yesu Kristo so na onyi no wankoso na hwe wanfa who you are na mem. Nemo no ebra wo ye ready to commission his work. Ebra ye ready say the enti a wabasasi so oba be execute no ehonom no bonefo no besia no na opese ogina who Jesus is ne so na Yesu agina sa who he is ne so aya dia ebema the purpose ene na dwuma obeye wasasi so nyina asai e no say se woni onyankopon ba no a do this, prove to me say you are so and so. Prove to me, say, uye nipa say, then I will believe you. It was a very difficult test. But what we say, Jesus never responded to who he was. Because onono onim nipa ko oye. But nipa ko oye no, it doesn't change the word of God. Nipa ko oye no, it doesn't permit him to do the wrong thing. Who Jesus is, it has not licensed him to do whatever he wishes to do. Oye onyankopon, yes, he is the savior of the world. Yes, he is the Messiah. But who he is, Bible say boni nyina so ne hwei, but boni bie ne wetumi di ne so. Obre ne ho ase ni kosi owom. Ni wom mpono na Yesu Kristo bre ne ho ase. Wamfa obi ho ase ma hye ne mu. Odi nyame asem ne ye adwuma frenchem, even though he knew who he was. The question I want to ask you today is who you are no. Ede be na ama waye. Many people take undue advantage of who they are in this life to do other things that are very evil. When yes, I didn't say who you are now, Baba Yahoma, what you and I do what you serve Monday. Many of you have become self-destructive and you're more than or self-concept. There was an issue. Oye IGP, oye company director, oye PRO, oye wine, di bia ukra no, position bia wababe kura wabrabo mu no. As I say who no say, nyame be fa sa position ni so, e dia bless your entire generation. And now that same position no, but some so be gina so, e dia destroy your descendants. Enti no, who you are no, amo wakwa koye adi bia na nke sese oye. What in common say? E to na bi no obi to me frame or say, pastor, asemse na esi na ya kan nye minim se ode obemu a dio minim se ode obemu a ebeyeye na tese who I am no ekwa koye bribi me nyame nipa it is because of who I am no koye bribi. Now the question I have to ask myself is sa de kodina who I am no ekwa koye no eye bone anase eye papa. This is the question. Because many a time, the devil will prey on who you are to do the wrong thing. Oh, you're doctor, you have the power to give life and to take it. Indirectly, they can't to give life and to take it. I'm not saying you are the author and finisher of life. What I'm trying to say in effect, they say bibi atu say you within the powers of a doctor. A doctor can save you or a doctor can let you die. But what in common I say, because of who he is in it, look at the kind of treatment or the patients. Ye were Jumamo companies, a company in Penifo Bibra, or your company director, or your HR director, because of who the person is in it, or suppress people's rights because of who he is. Or you will be and going to me, yes, I didn't go to me, yes, I would independent. The company director no yentino, ye before be with you more at this one no as ye because of who he is in Dino, or ne Mayoneda and son of Maye. It is the question I ask yourself is, I ask you is, who are you? Nipa ben away. Nipa ko ben away. Nyankopon ka kire Moses say, "Okwa ka kire omanfo ne say, mene nia mene na asoma wo." Etu okoka ye no mugidi. Obi tumi suma ne employee or se ko bank honom ko ase ho, ka kire nso ma 2 million. Oka say, "Oh, asuma sisi me meji 2 million because of who he is, no. Wo mun tumi deny no." After at the end of the day, na misappropriation of funds about banking sector ho. E didi moment kofu bi didi sika e wo banks e men kofu bi sika kokem e wo Ghana ha. Sam kofu we nyina so ye Christofo obi no wo tisa obenya ha bia ko. Eti bonsamba Yesu ho no. Na opese o ka kire Yesu say, "I know who you are. You are capable of turning the stones into bread." It is a woni onyankopon ba no a. Se woni a prove to me. Na or the ababe crosso. O say yes, me so I will prove to you say me asumesi. Me chiro say me ne frame so for Bernard. E na ye den. Me chiro say me police ni e na ye den. Me chiro say me sa me na wo do say si ubo me no. Kan hunu say eye obonefo no na e ma o ye me because who you are no, it is just by grace. It is just by grace. Who you are, no, it is adumbi na ama wababa ye who you are. It is a wo kasa de will say si ubua. As you say who say you are taking somebody's identity, the supreme being or ya Yahweh no, the identity na ye me arane miame. What in Quran say? Mine niye mene. It is a wo say me. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? You are heading towards doom. Enonia homa mumu bebre mo dia chekere mo ho abriki mo enti eneno say yadia all recognize who you are any the negativity associated with who you are, because irrespective of who you are no, the devil is looking for everyone. So te dia nyom to nini kan o say your ho bodani ne kofi ne nyam kwaje ye dan ema okra no abrante na semo a na oka no wonyum num no woye nimdifu a chese wakosku edu akiri, but edru baby no na esese already of who he was, because oye no ho se oye bank manager, oye no ho se oye intellectual, oye no ho se oye graduate na onenam monchen so a because of curfew unity no won beti ne pra no obi hu nkwase wo eti oye no ho bodani. Evangelist Michael Eka say be bra ode ne submission in no o say aboa kokosechi ode ne kwasia epenyin se o say etuo mo sum etu no de sumina su no bedidi na ama ne ho akwankoye obomofo kono ama obomofo ama metulitio na won baby a who you are not taking you to baby a who you are no, because of who you are no, you can enter into any your friends saying hotel. Hey adwuma boss no be allow him ti kwasiade na who you are no didi o say baby ye fidia esumo. But what in common say, this was the agenda of the devil. Eti nyankopon who he is no okọ e de koye deliverance. Yesu Kristo who he is no or the yet deliverance or the genie perfect amanim. But a bad di personal Yesu Kristo passe that and so he no sa woni nyankopon ba no a. The devil wanted to confuse Jesus so that he would do the wrong thing. When him prefer say asem ye see wouldn't you know differ, but because of who you are, the beer printing the Paco Yentino, what was assembly the good paso. Ama Ubian could dibim and never one for. You are lawyer for Bibri Ghana, you are judge for Bibri, you are accountants, you are company PROs, no matter where you are, no, you will debia would be bra. Say Nipabasa says no benya that identity no. Afe ne be mana yadia kaneno nanka untuminye. Who are you? That is the question I'm asking you today. Who are you? Who ye nipa ben? Nipa ben na we. So I can come and say, beyond your name, what is your identity in the society? How do people see you? Who ye nipa ben? Can we use your who you are to do something wrong? If you are permitted that, then I'm sorry, you are out of coverage area. Heaven would be in court. If say yemu bebre no ayaba besia wa hano, ebinum ye adwuma mu mpanimfo, ebinum ye asofo, ebinum obia ni nipa ko oye. So you pilot, you are someone. Oh, you driver, you are someone. What in common I say? It in the Paco wa babayeno. Me question they say, a dear ben ama waye. E wo abrabum. Me di ni Paco me yeno. Me mano endi Dimitri mu. Ni Paco me yeno. Me mfa insisi ubi. Ni Paco me yeno. Me mfa enda de nipa. Ebinom ye adifo. Wo mo wo Ghana ha. Ghana funim ni pako amoye. Because of that, need to take undue advantage over people. They dupe, they exploit, they extort, they do all manner of things because of who they are, and people have come to recognize who they are. Assembly wohona obi wo platform is no koka, any problem. But me koka ni biema no koka sa asem ni bia, ube se beye diga because of who I am. Bone bi ohona mumu bi ekoya ye muni say eye bribi, but masofo Bernard enkoye because of who I am no, it will become a problem. It is who you are no, as say who say obone fun ejina so e de set a lot of traps for you. Ebia na wura fi wo ho nipa ko a wo ye. Saa de no amawo asase ye niema bi a ensese wo ye. Tu ho fo. To hofo hweye na who you are no amechekere wan fan to ho emma who you are no emma otirimu nya wode emma didimbone e wasase so who you are no emma ni lidi utu bone benim se de meka no otimase dia eti ebra Yesu ni esunyafo ne nam no Wamu busa Yesu busa esunyafo say ede ben na nkofo kasa meye. Who do people say I am? And then the disciples were like, Ebinum si uye Yohane Suboni, Ebinum si uye Elia, Ebinum si uye Jeremiah ana adifo numbako. As a chirene saying, it means say people knew Jesus, but they didn't know who he really is. Nipa kopa na Yesu ye no. People did not know. Name woman no mane ne nam no. They were able to tell exactly who Jesus is. I want to tell you, say, most often than not, no, enipe wabonten will see you differently. They know say you are a man of God, but they don't know really who you are. Who you are no, has more to do with the kind of attitude you put up when you get that identity. Attitude, usubai, oniye, adiaweye, after becoming the person you are today. And no, the only person who can attest to it is those who are close to you. One more bell on the bit me attend the pakwawe. It is a boss, so a director, so a pilot, so a wine. Now you think say you are someone, oh yeah IGP, oh yeah police officer, not because of nipakwa oyeno. Udi sisi nipa, because of nipakwa oyeno. Udi ye bukata, because of nipakwa oyeno. Udi si afofro akwenya opportunity. Ubi owa because of nipakwa oyeno. E kwan bia mu obi ankese say o manipa ne kwan na obefam no ko e bi kura na ye promotion because of who the person is no na watena so. Oso wo man o manipa ne kwan ma ne nko. Peter say, Oni onyankopon tiasefo ne ba no. Oni agenkwa no. Wo oni agenkwa no. then na Peter to me describe Jesus so vividly, so perfectly, because no ni Jesus nam oye Nyankopɔn ba nanso we munu se oyodehye obefa akwa tebia editor no so. Jesus forgot entirely who he was and came down to the level of man. Can you imagine the creator of the heavens and the earth? Bebia what you mean abrane wasi ababedu say on common human beings obia enkonfo no Yesu na the creative wom ono omoton say didi, even to the point say obewu e de mawom. Who you went umu obia wasasi so when you sadie because you think you are somebody. You are tying yourself down. A bedroom baby no obepese unipa beboa. Nanso no that's any bi no or beboa because of who you are and what you used the who you are to do to enipa. Adie bi onipa ye no eyaba wugu. Besi wo betwa. Philippians chapter number 2. Philippians chapter number 2. Mamenko kenkai. Nafi memo additionally tofa. Philippians chapter number 2. Verse number 5. Downwards. Tieni or say Momma adwene a ewo Kristo Yesu mu no ara entina momubi. Ono na owo Onyankopon tebie mu die, oyenyame. Owo Onyankopon tebie mu die. Nanso we mu ne mfasode se oni Onyankopon se. Enso ne onipa beye obi wa brabo yi mu a onipa beye obi ewo life mu a enipa na odisa nipa kon ye no esisi ni nuanom o say oye Nyankopɔn de nanso wa mu no mfasode se oni Nyankopɔn se na emom oto ne ho mpan efa akwatebea eto no ho so dane enipa nse so na se oye na ade fa ye no wo hunu no se oye nipa enso no onye nipa wo obre ne ho ase ye sitie de kosi owuo mu asenua no ho wuo mu mpo obre ne ho ase eno nti eno Nyankopɔn enso ama ne so kese na wadom no din a ebru din nyina so se Yesu din mu ena osorofo ne asase sofo ne asase asefo enkotodwe nyina enkoto na tekyerema nyina mpemu ka se Yesu Kristo ene Awurade emma ejo Nyankopɔn enionyam minua me pese me kire wade ende obonefo no pese oyiwu free heaven awo Nyankopɔn sisiem no becoming who you are no is not a problem. Nipa kwa waba be yesisi ano enyonyam sema nyame. But Nyankopɔn pese o forget who you are and come down to the level of your fellow human beings. Come down to the level of your fellow human beings. Me nyam ho sema yobi o. Se obi onim me se onim me a ubebu me se be me any commoner on the street. You will never find me because who I am no, I do not allow it to enter my head. Be mani unra me tinim e me mama betri so enye ne me pewu. But what in common I say, I still keep myself in check with the word of God. I don't do anything outside of the word of God. Me di onyame asem so pepepe ti sene wo a wo tie me edi nyame asem so. In fact, I have to do the extra. And say maybe di asem no so more esene wo. Send be ya meba be ye ehwesode edi ama wo enti Yesu no a oye wiase agenkwa oye the creator of the heavens and the earth no o say we mu ne ho se oyinyame who he is no did not compel him hwe senka wo na wo ye Yesu Kristo ene nipa edi uboni sei na obi tintosuo agu so na ye din kotima ba wo so e wo garden of Gethsemane eye wo when you put your legs in the shoes of Jesus eye wo a nkade be na obeye bisusu se nke nipa wo wiase nyina sa Do you know whom you are trying to attack? Oh my God. And kadia wo be no. Can adia obi esafo no. Asem no nie. It is self bondage. And chicheria are preventing mumu bebre from going ahead in life no. Unipe biya no. You depend on someone to climb up in this life. The devil will make sure say who you have become now no. He will deny you the opportunity to do what is right. Enipa bebre who they are no has become a blessing to many people. Nipa ko mo ye no aba be yinshira. Oyo defo pa, oye sikani pa, but obre no ho ase. Owo atinkapa. Oye so sensitive to the needs of people. Oma nipa ko wo ye no ma no sisi ni nua. Nemo no he goes all out to support his friends or to support humanity. So what is adia nyame shirawo. Na se wonti sa wo nanu ya na yebo wa basu na obeye nipa ko a oye sisi. Hwene o kire oba bi wo ho a tese be ma bi ntumi emma nanim kura meka hello ana wo ntumi mesene obunu ho ama eso toilet ko bi. What in common say? You are not better than anyone. Who you are no does not take you beyond humanity. You are not supreme. When you are better than anyone. If you are a pilot, you are this. When you will be our proper streets, you the same thing. So because Zoom lie on prayer no proper street, so I don't think say because you are a doctor no, we need person no. Who you are no, don't allow it to eat into your head and do what you think you want to do. But what in common I say? Jesus has set the example for us. And you know, I want each and every one of us on the platform no. As I say, wherever you are, whoever you are, don't allow it to destroy the relationship out near the world. If so Nyankopon when him say who you are no, ebese na nyam. But some so when him say who you are no, obe use sadie no against where you were free heaven. Ebiana because of who you are nimti no. And then you dear free and kwahumanim the book of life. It is not too late and they make the correction. Who you are no say amawa fendi obi. Na amawa ayi ebu obi ama why you be bonia. Mesre will go and do the correction. Don't sleep on it. But what in common I say? Calm down. Who you are no edwana bonsama faso. It is the moment now I'm the company director. Not the BBS now I'm the HR director. Not the BBS now I'm the person see. Obey aya obonsamoa. Bonsamoa. Or decide ni be crossu Yesu akwain. But Jesus was smarter than him. They say Yesu approve no ho kire bonsamoa. Kiyewu. I say hey, I will prove to you that I'm the Jesus. And Mosia nyina mo nani brudu na adani brudu. Kayewu be na meka kire o. But as dan kan ye Awurade Yesu Christ say ono de ohun the intelligence of the devil he did not give in. Who you are no edebe na ama waye. Ama wo ene open we free nipa wa onsan kan na. Because of who I am no. Krobia medru so no minya ba bi da. Me see dan wo krobia so nye krobia na me wo fie ho. Ba ba bia medru akwantum bia no. Me nkonkoda hostel o. Me kope baabi ewu krom ho. Baabi a ehon so ye kama. Me kwa na ma che me ye nipa so mesi. Me dinde Sofo Bernard Lukata. Minister of Penny and that pathway to heaven in Minya Casa Minister of Penny because of who I am no. Also Sofo Nyaminipa. Don't worry, Bema baby ada. And so make a you be a proper street in Eswa and Kayen Yeden, Kayen money baby and na. But because of who I am need to know, woman the same DNA mommy. It is a nipper and the same DNA mommy because of who I am. Who am I to take advantage of who I am to cause pain in their lives, to cause confusion, or to deny them the opportunity of good things in this life? Mami, Papa, Minya, emre ye ninkaso. Se waba be yo didinia, remember who you are. Se uye Kristo ni, remember who you are. Because beyond the doctor, beyond the pilot, beyond the engineer, beyond the HR director, beyond the pakwa uye, beyond se uye driver, beyond se uye doctor, beyond bibia uye no. Remember say, uye Kristo ni. Na ensem fata obi a waba bedi Kristo noa. Je di kind who you are no cross na kwenum ensem fata say nipa ne say. Obema who he is or who she is no. Akoye bone. Bitumofo na mekyerɛkyerɛ mo ewo Awurade mu. Mi yobi, unsu yobi. But as I say, nipa ko a woyɛ no who you are no. Uklosu gab no na the devil no enyusu against you. Me di besi ha na minim say mo asem bisa hodo no eba kɔtwetwe ensem ni biaba. Me ye so late enti no mentoa disua no so mabɔ ne tofa. Minim se baby a me pese me dia disua ne fa no wate ase etu wo asem bisa ekwan da ho fabra na yenyia no Kristo onhyira wo onti nanim nhyira wo ommoa wo nenya ahobrase ommoa wo na nipa ko a wo ye no emane meye nkyekere a ede wo kɔ obonsam gem ommoa wo na nipa ko a wo ye no wamfa nkwanko di obi amim wamfa nkosisi obi wamfa nkwanko tan obi ani. You will nipa bebre wasasi so a because of who they are no nipa kran to me sere no makom kasabwa de ede atu omyam. Who you enti so obi abra go and make the correction. Who you enti so when deny obi the opportunity to make headway in life go and make the correction. Whoever you are no, don't forget say somebody is greater than who you are. That person no me ono no de ne nsasi ne bo kasa kire no se mene ne amene ode ne hu nyankopon no me pato you are nobody. Me yesofo am nobody. Who you defo you are nobody. What you say? Baby a make akosisi no. So who say you are nobody you'll be able to come down to the level of your people. Me nini panyina serebo minima kwada e na menim pani. So what you say? Me dinidie mu obia. Who I am no. The fact say nyame fa me so ebo honhom no does not mean say I should disrespect you. No way, I cannot do that. What in common I say? Because of who I am no. Me kai se onyankopon na pagya me eduru sa level no na me bre me ho ase e de ma onipa. Ne nipa nyina eti no me ye panidie but oba asafo no mu a me fa praye prapra. All my members will testify say me who I am no does not stop me from doing the things ordinary people can also do. Me kona insist I saw them me fa praye prapra. I don't wait. You nobody carries my Bible. What? You carry my Bible when you also have a Bible? No. No way. It will never happen. I carry my Bible. Say you invite me for program or baby. People want to recognize me for who I am. They want to stand up and clap for me. They want to do all things. And I tell them, please, all glory and honor goes to our Creator, the heavens and the earth. I'm just a human being like you. Only say at this point, nyame be fami mu na akasa. Eti me ma me hoso, me bre me wase adie nyine. Me som who I am it doesn't play a role in my life. I forget who I am and do the things common people do. I forget who I am. Send your beya me to me nipa akasa yi. Send me hu ni say we oyeme nyonko nipa. Se menyinsi nimpo anami wudi bia bia mikura eno mma me sa right ni say meye ne bone. Check yourself and know where you fall short.